Hello, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Williams, and I'm going to show you how to complete an assignment that your teacher assigned you in Google Classroom, and you can edit it on Kami, and then how you're going to turn it in. So here I am in one classroom. That's my teacher. I go to my classwork, and I already opened up one. And right here, there's the math problem set that I need to complete. And it says to open this document with Kami. That's what the teacher is telling me to do. And if you see here, it already has my name on the document, which means that my teacher assigned one to each and every student in the classroom. So you're going to have one that has your name labeled. So you're going to click on that. And right here, when it opens, there might be a blue box up here. It says open with Kami. And if you also notice, boys and girls, I am logged into Chrome, my Google Chrome, and I am logged into my Chrome account up here in the right. And the Chrome browser is down here. So I'm going to open with Kami. Give it a few moments to open up. And I have all these tools over here. So first, I always want to start with my name. So you can insert a text box just by clicking on this T. You could pick a color that you like. Purple is my favorite. Click on this box. I'm going to put in my name. Okay, you can put in the date if you want. Let's see, today is 4/6/20. Okay, circle the groups with 2 apples. So I'm going to go to my drawing. Again, I like purple. So circle the groups of 2 apples. So there's one, and you can change your drawing. I just realized that the transparency. My thickness, I want much thinner. So I'm going to draw groups of 2 apples. And it's okay if it's not very neat. You do the best. Now there are blank groups of 2 apples. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to go back to my text box, put that right here. My answer is 5. And if the text box is not where you want it, you just kind of wait for that plus sign, and then you can move it wherever you want. Okay, so let's say I did my whole sheet, okay, and then I want to turn it in. So I go to the top right, and it says Save, Turn In. This is a little save button, turn in, and it already says Mrs. McGuire. So I'm going to turn it in to Mrs. McGuire. Turn in. Saving to Google Drive. Hope I got it all right. So it says that I turned it in. Now I'm going to show you another class where that, hold on, let me go back to the beginning. Okay, so here's my other class that I'm taking in 3rd grade. I go to my classwork and I go to the math activity again. And again, this teacher shared it with every student in the class. So I click on this, but when you look up here, there's no open with Kami button. That is okay. You could still do it. So you go all the way over here to the right. Do you see these 3 dots? I call them the snowman. So I'm going to click on that. More actions. Open in a new window. So the 3 dots open in a new window. Click there. Now watch. When it opens in here, I can open with, annotate with Kami. Kami starts with a K. And I already started annotating it and it remembered me. So I already put my name in there and I already started my math work. So there's my name. Here's my math work. So the area, you count all the square units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, that's also 8 square units. So I have my text box. You could try to write your number. I'm going to tell you, it's not so easy. That's not too bad. All right, let's say I did the rest of this page and I want to turn it in. So there's that Save Turn In button. And it says Mrs. Arnold. That's where it's going to go. Turn in. And then I wait patiently. All changes have been saved. It's turned in. And then I can always check my classroom. So this is Mrs. McGuire. And it says I turned it in. All right. And same thing with the other classroom for Mrs. Arnold. It says, hold on, let me refresh. I'll show you how turned in my math activity. See how it's grayed out? Because I already turned it in. It's turned in. So that's gray. I'm done. Now I can do my other activities. And same thing in Mrs. McGuire's class. If you see, that is gray now. I did it. And now I have my other math activity. So boys and girls, that's how you do your assignments and turn them in with Cami.